hungry. What should I make?
Hey, what's up guys? So katakan hari ni berbuka tak nak makan nasi, tak apa, kita boleh buat chicken Alfredo pasta.
Aha! I got an idea. I'll make chicken Alfredo. My brother and I would surely love this. Oh, I can't wait to make it. Let's go. But then, I remembered something. The recipe only shows for one serving. What should I do? Wait, what's that? Proportions? I got it! What if I use the proportion that I've learned in school? What if I apply it to cooking? Let's try this out. Let me show you how to do it. So, the recipe shows for one serving, but we want to make 2 serving. So how do we do the ingredients? So if we times 2 for the serving, that means we have to double the ingredients too. Thus, we gotta double each ingredient. We're going to need 1 fettuccine, 2 boxes of cooking cream, 1/4 of butter, some seasonings, 4 shiitake mushrooms, and 9 cherry tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, a bowl of chicken breast, and a bowl of mozzarella cheese. To start, salt your water and add oil. Now, add in your pasta. Bring this to a boil for 10 minutes or until al dente. Ten minutes later. Once you're done, strain the pasta. Butter up your pan so the food won't stick. Into the pan, add in your chicken breast. Cook the chicken breast until it's golden brown. Season your chicken breast with some salt, pepper, and oregano. Deglaze the pan with 4 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute the garlic until it has some nice golden brown color. After that, add 4 chopped shiitake mushrooms. Coat the mushroom in the butter until it has a nice color to it. The butter will give the mushrooms a nice savory flavor. Add 2 boxes of cooking cream. Now add 1 bowl of mozzarella cheese. Now, add in your pasta. Followed by the chicken breast we cooked previously. Finally, Add in your cut cherry tomatoes. And to finish it off, sprinkle some parsley. Bro, this looks so good. Alright, let's eat up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's heavenly. It's creamy, it's savory. Basically, it's just delicious.